A young woman died this morning at Arowolo Health Center during childbirth. The facility had no power.
She did not die because there was no hospital. She died because nobody asked question about it.
Do you know the name of your local government chairman, your councillor, your senator, who is managing the resources allocated in your or name? Photographed, uploaded, publicly visible. But there is one more disease we must cure: the selling of votes.
Young man, we have complained before. Nothing changes.
This time we are not complaining, we are measuring. How many of you know what the federal government allocated to this local government for roads last year? They are managing your money with your name on it, in your darkness. Starting today, we switch on the light.
What 7 borehole? 12 million naira. 3 years ago. And our children are drinking from gutters. I have been quiet too long. If we stay quiet again, our grandchildren inherit ruins.
My people, from Chicago to Arowolo, we must unite. Innovation is our bridge. Let's build it together.
Honorable Chairman, this is not an ambush. It is your report card. Read publicly.
So every leader in this country understands we are watching, we are measuring, and we remember.
My husband lost a contract because of bad road last year. A contract worth more than the road itself.
Let's maintain order, please.
There were contractor difficulties.
Honorable Chairman, the contractor was paid 60% up front. He has not returned to site in 22 months. We have the payment records.
Show us the evidence. We need the evidence now.
Show us evidence.
Show us evidence.
But the ROP is not only for failures. Under your chairmanship, these were delivered. We acknowledge them publicly.
The CAA model is not a weapon against leaders, but a mirror. Arowolo celebrates results and questions failures.
Come, no quarrel. Take your money and rest. I always look after my people.
3 years in office, no road, no school funds. Tonight he gives 3,000 for 5 years. But what is the use of a vote if nothing changes? This time, promises are tracked. Failures are exposed. Your vote has witnesses.
You people are mad. Who will help you if not me?
30 years of help. Yet our children drink from gutters. 3,000 politics is finished.
The moment citizens started asking more, solutions started coming. It is that simple.
GNA-CAA holds leaders accountable and celebrates those who truly serve. Good leadership must be rewarded. Commissioner Adaeze Nwosu delivered. And today, Arowolo sees her.
11 years in government only for showing up. What you've built changes that. When citizens celebrate performance, good leadership multiplies.
We didn't fix everything, but the hospital works, the borehole flows, and the silent has found their voice. A nation does not fail because of lack of resources. It fails when citizens stop demanding responsibility. When communities become informed, leaders become careful.
DNA on a mission to build.